There we go. Dub City, baby. Let's go. That's the car that I wanted. Let's go. Let's take a screenshot of that. So I'm talking about easy dubs. What up, guys? It's Zach or Modified World, and of course we're doing another wheel spin video. These are fun to make. They're fun to see what I get. It kind of gives me that Madden Ultimate Team feel if you've ever played that. So I have 100 wheel spins. We're going to do all 100 and see what we get. Hopefully not garbage. Money's a plus. Don't mind to get money. Hopefully after this I'll have like 20 million. That should be enough for the duration of this game, honestly. So let's see what we get. Also would see if we can get some type of car in this wheel spin that we could do another video of modifications to. And there we go. That's perfect. A Z06 2015 model. We're gonna make a video on that, building that into a nasty drag car. So look for that. Or look forward to that coming soon. Let's see what else we get. Don't really care for emotes. I like to have that Mercedes. That was pretty sick. I know you guys seen it. Oh, okay. That is a win. This is probably my, well, yeah, probably my most favorite car in the world. Pretty sweet we got that. I don't have to buy it, so that's a plus. Always a plus. Garbage. One thing I hate about getting the garbage cars like that, it takes forever to add them to the auction block, because I'm not going to ever drive them. I'd rather just sell them and buy something I'd actually use. I'd like to have that GTR. I like to get some rare cars. I need to look to see what the rare cars are in this game. I have no idea what they are. I'd also like to get that Horizon Edition Lambo. I'm not sure what exactly Lambo it is. Speaking of Lambos, that's a dub. Let's see. Forza Horizon Edition cars would be nice. Ones I do not have. But if I get one that I do have, just sell it for free money. I'll take that. Garbage. What's this, Call of Duty? That's pretty cool. Not bad. You know, this is pretty cool. There's like a video, it's a Willy gremlin like this, and it's like the world record for Willys or champion or something. It's pretty sick. You guys should go check that out. Not sure what that is, but I mean, I know I see what it says. I just never seen one or heard one. Oh, that's pretty cool. SC300, not bad. The Impala's pretty sick. Let's go. That's a dub. Love the old cars. Dude, look at that Trans Am. That is sick. At least we got a legendary horn. That's not bad, I guess. Legendary anything. I'd rather have a car, but you know, we'll take what we get. Now, that is probably expensive. It's probably gonna get sold. Not a fan. Man, that Z28 Camaro would have been nice. Is that like a Hot Wheels car? Do you guys see that? That's kind of cool looking. Twin mill. That's pretty sick. I bet that's rare. Garbage. Closer to the 20 million overall. Take it. Okay, I like that. Like he said, love the old cars. Nice. Really nice. Watch me have like 19.9 million after this. I'll be a little upset, but not really. That's still a lot of money. And I'll get 20 million after I sell all the junk I get in this video. That's the worst thing I've got so far. Would I rather have the Porsche? That Bugatti is pretty sick. Pretty cool to get that thing. Unfortunate. 350Z, although I have one already. And I always use a second one. Okay, I like that. CTSV, that's tough. Also one of my other favorite cars ever. It'd probably go like Z06 or ZR1 Corvette. Well, the Porsche GT3 RS first, then the Corvette, and then the CTSV's up there. As well as the Pontiac G8, of course. There's that Horizon Edition car. Come on, I wish I could get that. L. Major L. Could have had the GTO, that'd have been much better. That's not good. Watch me get this Horizon car. I've got that one like 3 times. Alright. Terrible. Man, I wish I'd have got that Lambo. That's probably the best car in the game, honestly. That's nice. 300,000 Dub City. 400,000 and 2 cents. Not a bad deal. That's getting sold. Probably. Money is a win in my book. Don't have to sell it on the auction block. It just goes straight into the bank. Okay. That's good. That's very good. Another car I do not have to spend money on. I think that's like probably close to $1 million in like 6 wheel spins. Definitely $1 million if you count the car that I just got, the P1. Dub. Ooh, the Countach, or I guess that's how you say it. That's sick. Take that. Definitely might make a video on that. 250,000 for that car. Not a bad deal. Terrible. I mean, it's money. Rather have the unicorn. Give me that vet. Pre-built drift car. That's not bad. Terrible. Terrible. I'm so hyped that we got the Lambo, dude. I don't care what we get next, honestly. Let's go. This is a overall solid wheel spin video. Got some great cars. Pretty stoked about it. And I'm going to have 20 million after the end of this video. There's no way I don't. And if I don't have it immediately, I'll just sell some of the garbage that we got. Ooh, the F40 would have been tough. Give me the Porsche, that Horizon car. Unfortunate. That 911 RWB Porsche. Oh well. Closer to the 20 mil. There we go. Now, gotta be pretty close. The M3 E46 would be nice. Oh, okay, that's sick. The super fast. Not bad, not bad. The GTO. Let's go. Got a lot of great cars. Will not lie. That Porsche right there is like 15 million. Dang. Oh, come on. Ooh, 370Z. We'll take it. That Z28 would be nice too. Z28, Z28, Z28. Take the 175. It's probably definitely worth more than that Z28. I don't think it's that much. Another ZR1 bet. Come on. Ah. L. L again. I wonder if I hit skip, what happens. I think it would just skip the whole entire spin. I don't want to do that. What's what I get? Could have skipped that one, though. I do not care about the shoes. Nice. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That's like the GTR or GTO in Australia. That's sick. I have one of those already. 250,000. Come on down. Close enough. 8 wheel spins remaining. Will we get something cool? Although we've done got plenty of cool stuff. Not cool. Ooh. Let's go. 5 spins remaining. Money. Not bad, not bad. I'd rather have money than emotes or clothes. The GTR BMW is much better. That gives me the dab. Oh man, please don't give me the dab. Alright. We're good. 2 spins. Let's see what we get. Alright. Not bad. Give me 175 or more. Well, 1 spin remaining. Can't end it off. Some clothes. Alright. We'll take it. Let's see what we got. 21.4 million. That's a dub, if I've ever seen one. Let's see what all the cars we got. 35 cars. As you can see. CTSV, that's good. The M3 is good. Superfast is sick. The Nova, sick. Z06, sick. The P1 also crazy. Whatever this Lambo is, crazy. Super excited about the Lambo and the Huracan. ST300's nasty too. The GTO. The GT3 RS, another Forza edition car. Overall, a solid wheel spin. Let's see what we get here. 1000 XP. Not bad. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Until next time, peace out, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.